Yo guys, welcome to your channel. I am Alireza Sonic with another tutorial. Alireza Sonic is here with another tutorial. This video is about 10 basic in one combination. Number 2 you can watch number 1 in this video. Anyway, we are trying to use foundation moves in our styles, in popping style. Let's go to start. So we have 4 parts. Each part is 8 steps. Let's start. First foundation move in this combination is Fresno. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Use my side. Boom. Pop full body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have double, single, single, double. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And next pose is boom, boom. Okay, and boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let's go for next part. We have head roll. Boom, boom. Focus on my upper body. I try to shift my upper body in side, to side, and your upper body should come here on this leg. This leg. Focus, focus. Boom, boom, boom. It's not here like this. Should shift your upper body. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Try to come up your shoulder, because this shape can help you for having better style, better groove. 1, 2, 3, 4, and next is boogaloo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's go for next part. We are here and we should jump back. 1, 1. Come down and jump. Step back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay. And now we are going to old man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your leg should turn and come here behind the other leg, and then 1, 2. Turn your head, your upper body, and your leg. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And last step, 8. Switch your leg and try to turn your upper body like twist of legs. Boom. Together. Boom. We are using flex in this part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flex. Let's go for last part. Last part is about king tut. We are using king tut more than the other moves in this part. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are here and try to move your arm. Use waving. Boom. And change your direction. If you are here, you should turn to here. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and focus on my 5 step. Step 5. Boom, boom. Again together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Next step. Use wrist twirl and crazy leg. Boom, boom, and you have king tut. Boom, on your 2. Boom, and the end. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's go to do all the steps together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fresno, 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 boom, boom. Head roll, bull, walk, out, down, jump, old man, boom, twist of legs, king tut, boom, 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 crazy leg king tut, boom, boom. Let's go, do it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forgive me.